Hello. Most traders understand support and resistance. Many traders also know about demand and supply zone. But the real question is, how do you actually take trade using this zone? In this video, I will show you how to identify proper trade entries using the Emperor Candle system. Hello everyone, I am Mahesh and you are watching Live Trading Emperor Global. In the previous video, we learned how to apply the Emperor Candle indicator, all the important indicator settings, what each candle color represents, and how demand zone and supply zone works. If you have not watched those videos yet, I recommend watching them first because today we are going to learn something very important. Today we will understand how to take actual trade entries using Emperor candle zones. Before we begin, one important thing, if you want free access to the Emperor candle indicator, make sure to watch this video completely because somewhere in the middle or at the end of this video, I will explain how you can get free access to this indicator. Now let's start with trading setup. Buying setup using demand zone. Buying opportunities are usually found near demand zones and very strong demand zone. But we do not buy immediately. We wait for confirmation candle. So buy confirmation can be a hollow candle like this, or a green candle like this, or a hammer near the zone and price closing above the high line of the zone. Means if you saw hammer like this also near very strong demand zone, so it is very strong demand zone, and for scalper 1 minute is important time frame. So as you can see, mark when this candle red candle close above this line, then it became and it confirmed it is a very strong demand zone. So how to trade and how to scalp at such scenario? When the candle get close above this, then you have to wait for confirmation, or you can trade directly also in small quantity, but because it is a strong reversal, now you are entering in strong reversal first of all. So as you can see, this candle got closed and you took the entry. So your stop loss will be just similar candle which will close below this line, low line. If any candle get closed below this line, you have to exit. But if trade goes above, then you can trail your stop loss also. And you can see, you can get the target of this first zone created by first blue candle, or you can hold it because you have bought at low price and now you are holding and you are in the profit already. You can hold the trade till next supply zone appear, or you can book the profit at such scenario, means in red candle or again at the supply zone or very strong supply zone. So we will talk about then selling setup in supply zone. Now let's talk about selling opportunities. Selling trade are usually taken near supply zones or very strong supply zone, as we can see like over here. This was very strong supply zone. So when the candle got closed below this line, so candle must be a black candle or a red candle or an inverted hammer near the zone. Like as you can see over here, there is a black candle also and red candle also. So black candle, if the candle got closed below this black candle, you can set your stop loss as setup has given already in built in, or you can set the stop loss where the market had turned, means took a U-turn from this green candle. I will mark with horizontal line. Like now you have entered for short and now this is your stop loss. And your exit will be next demand zone, or if any candle green appears, you can also exit at such scenario like this or near demand zone. Price move up and reaches a very strong supply zone, a black candle or red candle or an inverted hammer near the zone. And if price close below the low line of the supply zone, This indicates that sellers are entering the market and this can be considered sell opportunity. So in this situation, the stop loss can be placed above the supply zone and the target can be the next demand zone below. Then again, another usual approach is checking higher time frame direction. For example, if the 1 hour time frame shows bullish momentum, like we will switch to 1 hour candle. Now, as you can see, it is in the middle of the zone right now. So we don't have to trade at such scenario in 1 hour time frame. I'm saying what not to do and when to avoid trades. We will make another video for that. So we will talk about just multi-time frame confirmation. So as you can see right now, there is a supply going on because market has fallen from very strong supply zone and it has closed below supply zone. So now in 1 hour you are also seeing a red candle. So in that, so that means in short time frame you have to search for selling opportunities. Like in 5 minutes also, as you can see, you can sell at this resistance zones also because it is a resistance and your stop loss will be the same. If candle close below, close above the high line, then you can exit the trade or you can set stop loss near. I will on. So you can set the stop loss of this level also, like over here. So 70902, this is going to be stop loss if you sell in this zone. So it is a 186 points from low and from high line it is a 93 points. So I hope you have understood when to enter the trade and when to exit and what not to do we will talk about later. And first important rule, never trade in the middle of the zone because your stop loss can get big and you will get confused that market will now go up or down. So always trade at or near the zone or in the zone. It's safe to trade, more safe to trade above high line when candle get close above high line, or it's safe to trade when candle get close below low line. But never trade in the middle of the zone, like means in this part. You can trade in this also, but stop loss, you have to put strict stop loss over here. So always remember to set the stop loss. So now let's talk about how you can get free access to the Emperor indicator. Follow this simple step. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give me a minute. Subscribe to this YouTube channel Live Trading Emperor Global. And if you are trading in Indian market, subscribe to this channel also, on which I trade on Nifty options and Sensex option. After that, you have to follow on TradingView. We'll open link in new tab. So you have to follow over here. Press the follow button, and after that, you have to boost this indicator. Means press the rocket button on Emperor RSI candle and Emperor RSI pivot level. Once you boost them, I will receive notification over here, as you can see. So after that, send me a message on Telegram or Instagram. Of that, I have shared link over here of Telegram group and Instagram handle. And send same TradingView ID you used for boosting. If the boost ID and the TM ID match, you will receive free access to the indicator. So in today's video, we learn how to take buy trades using demand zone. Second, how to take sell trades using supply zone. Entry confirmation rules, stop loss placement, and multi-time frame confirmation. In the next video, we will learn something equally important, when not to trade and what mistake trader must avoid. Until then, bye bye. Take care and happy trading.